Thinking of buying a Toyota SUV in 2025? Think twice. Toyota's reputation for reliability doesn't apply to every SUV in their lineup. Some models are rock solid, others falter with lackluster performance or outdated features. This breakdown highlights the 3 worst and 3 best Toyota SUVs for 2025, helping you avoid costly mistakes and invest wisely. Let's dive in. First, here are 3 Toyota SUVs to avoid in 2025. Third position, Toyota Urban Cruiser. Despite its distinctive styling appeal, the Urban Cruiser represents Toyota's misguided attempt to capture entry-level market share through compromised engineering specifications. Specifically, the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine generates merely 102 horsepower, creating noticeable power deficits during highway acceleration and hill climbing scenarios. More concerning, however, are the safety ratings that present the Urban Cruiser's most significant weakness. European New Car Assessment Program testing resulted in a disappointing 3-star overall rating, substantially below the 4- and 5-star ratings achieved by most contemporary SUVs. This subpar performance stems directly from inadequate structural protection during side impact collisions and insufficient pedestrian protection systems. Subsequently, the absence of advanced driver assistance features further compromises the vehicle's safety proposition. Standard Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 features appearing across most of the brand's lineup remain unavailable or severely limited in the Urban Cruiser configuration. This omission appears particularly puzzling given Toyota's industry-leading reputation for comprehensive safety technology integration across all price points. Second position, Toyota CHR. Transitioning to another concerning model, the Toyota CHR continues struggling with fundamental performance limitations that overshadow its visual advantages. Furthermore, the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 144 horsepower, creates genuine concerns during highway merging scenarios, requiring over 10 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour from a complete stop. Additionally, the continuously variable transmission compounds these performance issues by generating excessive noise levels during acceleration phases. This mechanical characteristic effectively eliminates the refined driving experience buyers rightfully expect from modern crossovers. Moreover, long-term reliability data indicates concerning transmission longevity patterns, with numerous owners reporting premature wear within the first 40,000 miles. Equally problematic, visibility concerns remain a significant safety consideration for daily operation. The dramatically sloped roofline and undersized rear windows create substantial blind spots that impede parking maneuvers and compromise lane change safety. Consequently, these design choices prioritize aesthetics over practical functionality, ultimately reducing driver confidence in various driving situations. First position, Toyota bZ4X. Leading our disappointment list, Toyota's flagship electric SUV continues facing significant challenges that prevent effective competition against established electric vehicle competitors. Pure electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid vehicles are improving despite continuing reliability problems. Yet the bZ4X exemplifies these ongoing concerns within Toyota's electric vehicle development program. Specifically, the 71.4 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery system provides an EPA estimated range of 252 miles for front-wheel drive configurations, falling considerably short of competitive offerings. For comparison, the Hyundai Ioniq 5 delivers up to 305 miles of range, while Tesla's Model Y achieves approximately 330 miles per charge, creating practical limitations for long-distance travel scenarios. Furthermore, charging infrastructure compatibility issues compound these range limitations significantly. The bZ4X's charging speed peaks at 100 kilowatts under optimal conditions, requiring approximately 65 minutes for 10 to 80% capacity restoration. Meanwhile, contemporary electric SUVs routinely achieve charging speeds exceeding 150 kilowatts, reducing equivalent charging times to under 40 minutes consistently. Now, let's take a look at 3 Toyota SUVs worth investing in for 2025. Third position, Toyota RAV4. Shifting toward excellence, the Toyota RAV4 maintains its position as America's best-selling non-pickup vehicle, demonstrating sustained consumer confidence across diverse demographics and usage scenarios. we expect the 2025 RAV4 will be much more reliable than the average new car, according to Consumer Reports' latest reliability predictions based on comprehensive owner data analysis. Moreover, recent powertrain refinements have successfully addressed previous performance criticisms while maintaining exceptional fuel efficiency standards. 2025 Toyota RAV4 city highway fuel economy ratings range from 2734 miles per gallon to 2735 miles per gallon, depending on trim and equipment, providing excellent efficiency for daily commuting and recreational activities. Additionally, the hybrid variant offers even greater efficiency benefits for environmentally conscious consumers. The RAV4 plug-in model, formerly known as the Prime, called the RAV4 PHEV for 2025, offers unexpected zippiness for a vehicle wearing a crossover costume. That and its impressive EPA-rated 38 miles per gallon combined figure make the upcharge over-the-gas RAV4 worth considering. Equally important, interior accommodations reflect thoughtful design priorities with comfortable seating for 5 adults and 37.5 cubic feet of cargo space behind rear seats. Second position, Toyota Highlander. Continuing with outstanding options, the Toyota Highlander excels in the competitive 3-row midsize SUV segment through superior space utilization, refined powertrains, and comprehensive safety features appealing to growing families and active lifestyles. Current model configurations provide comfortable seating for up to 8 passengers across 3 thoughtfully designed rows. Powertrain options effectively address diverse consumer preferences and efficiency requirements through intelligent engineering solutions. The standard 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine generates 265 horsepower, providing confident acceleration and impressive towing capability up to 5,000 pounds for recreational trailers and equipment transportation. Simultaneously, the hybrid variant combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motor assistance producing 243 horsepower while achieving an outstanding 36 miles per gallon in combined driving conditions. This configuration represents one of the most efficient 3-row SUVs available, significantly reducing fuel costs during extended ownership periods. Furthermore, interior design emphasizes practical family functionality through numerous storage compartments, multiple USB charging ports, and available tri-zone automatic climate control systems. First position, Toyota Corolla Cross. Topping our recommendations, the Toyota Corolla Cross emerges as the standout value proposition in Toyota's complete 2025 SUV lineup, delivering exceptional reliability, efficiency, and practicality at an accessible starting price point approaching $24,000. This strategic positioning makes it an ideal entry point for first-time SUV buyers seeking reliable transportation without premium pricing complications. Reliability assessments consistently rank the Corolla Cross among the most dependable vehicles in the subcompact SUV segment, citing minimal owner complaints, remarkably low maintenance costs, and proven powertrain durability throughout extended ownership periods. The 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine produces 169 horsepower, providing completely adequate performance for daily driving scenarios while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency characteristics. Moreover, hybrid availability dramatically expands the Corolla Cross's efficiency credentials through intelligent powertrain integration. The 2025 Corolla Cross Hybrid earned EPA estimates of 45 miles per gallon city, 38 miles per gallon highway, and 42 miles per gallon combined, delivering outstanding fuel economy while providing smoother acceleration characteristics through seamless electric motor assistance. Subsequently, interior design prioritizes functionality and long-term durability over luxury appointments, resulting in a straightforward cabin layout emphasizing ease of use and dependable operation. Seating accommodates 4 adults comfortably, with the rear bench suitable for 3 passengers during shorter trips, while cargo space measures 26.5 cubic feet behind rear seats. Selecting the appropriate Toyota SUV requires careful consideration of specific needs, budget constraints, and long-term ownership expectations across various usage scenarios. The models recommended through this analysis offer proven reliability, competitive feature sets, and strong value propositions aligning with diverse consumer requirements effectively. If this comprehensive Toyota SUV analysis clarified your buying decision, subscribe to our channel for detailed automotive reviews and expert buying guidance. Hit the notification bell for the latest automotive industry developments and vehicle recommendations. Thank you for watching.